Welcome back. This is first slides. Now we are going to start the solid state in which voids in closed pack structures we are going to study. This is part 4 of solid state. Introduction. This topic covers types of voids, geometry of voids, location of voids, calculating the formula of a compound on the basis of its voids. It is very important for the competitive exam as well as CBSE board examinations. What is voids? Look closely at the closed pack arrangement of apples. Do you notice the unoccupied space in this arrangement? The apples appear to be tightly packed, but there are space in between. Similarly, closed pack lattice structure may appear tightly packed with no space between atoms, but this structure also have vacant space between atoms called voids. That means what is voids? Voids is the vacant space between atoms in their crystal structure is known as voids. Voids are two types mainly. Which one? Octahedral and tetrahedral. Tetrahedral and octahedral voids. Particles in closed packing result in the formation of either CCP or SCP as we have discussed earlier. Structure and generate two type of voids. Clear? Actually, closed pack structure have both tetrahedral and octahedral voids. Let's look at each in more details. Tetrahedral voids. A tetrahedral voids is obtained. A tetrahedral voids is obtained when a sphere of a layer is in contact with three sphere of layer above or below. This is the three sphere of single layer and this is the second layer of a single sphere. A tetrahedral voids is obtained when a sphere of a second layer is in contact with the three sphere of the layer above or below. Geometry of the tetrahedral voids. Consider a unit cell in FCC lattice. This is the unit cell of the FCC, face centered cube lattice. The void is in the center of a regular tetrahedron formed by joining the center of four lattice atoms. Thus, the vacant space surrounded by the four spheres. We can see from this diagram. Three red sphere of one layer, a blue sphere single ball is second layer. It is arranged in many angular views of tetrahedron. This is the angular view of the tetrahedron. Locating tetrahedral voids. The unit cell has 8 small cubes. Each cube has atoms at alternate corner and one tetrahedral void. Joining the atoms of the cubes gives a regular tetrahedron. Thus, each cube has one tetrahedron voids and a unit cell with 8 cube has 8 tetrahedron voids. Tetrahedral voids is the vacant space surrounded by 4 sphere. This all we can see from this diagram. This is the regular tetrahedron unit cell with 8 small cubes. We can count 8 corner of the small balls and in which 3 balls above and 1 ball is the below. For in between this yellow spot is showing that tetrahedral voids. Clear? In other words, if we consider the body diagonal of a unit cell, the two tetrahedron voids are present on each diagonal at 1/4 distance from either end. This is the voids and this is the balls. The body diagonal. Tetrahedron voids in a unit cell. What is octahedral voids? When triangular voids of one layer are above the triangular voids of the other layer. 6 spheres are in direct contact with each other give rise to octahedral voids. This is reddish three balls are the first layer and bluish three balls are the second layer. In between both the layers, this is the small voids known as octahedral voids. Geometry of octahedral voids. What is geometry? The octahedral wires is in the center of a regular octahedron formed by the joining the center of the six lattice atom. We can count the atom. This is the one atom, this second atom, third atom, and fourth, fifth, and sixth. These six atoms are going to form tetrahedron structure. Space between this six atom is known as tetrahedral wires. We can also see from this diagram. Locating octahedral wires. An octahedron is formed by joining six atoms at face center. Thus, unit cell has one octahedral wire at the body center of the cube. An octahedral wire is also formed at the center of each of the 12 edges. This wire is surrounded by six atoms, three belonging to the same unit cell and three belonging to the two adjacent unit cells. Thus, the octahedral wire is shared by the four atoms of adjacent unit cells, and only 1/4 of each wires belong to a particular unit cells. Octahedral wires at body center we can see in this diagram, and octahedral wires at the center of the edges. Okay, deriving the formulas. Clear? In a cubic closed packed structure, there are four atoms. In a cubic closed structure, there are four atoms. One atoms at the corner of the cubes, which contribute 1/8 part. Total 8 atom. So only one atoms in a cube, and third three atoms form face centered, which is contributed half. Number of tetrahedral wires is twice the number of atoms. It should be cleared. For octahedral wires, the number of octahedral wires at the body center is equal to 1. Number of octahedral wires located at the edges is 12. A number of unit cells sharing one octahedral wire is equal to 4. Therefore, number of octahedral wires belonging to one unit cell is equal to 12 multiply 1/4 is equal to 3. Total number of octahedral wires is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Number of octahedral wires is the same as the number of the atoms. This is the very important formula. You should learn about that. First important thing is that number of atoms is equal to number of octahedral wires, and number of tetrahedral wires is twice the number of atoms. This is the summarized view of the formulas. Few more formula. Consider the following to arrive at formula for closed packed HCP RCCP structure. Calculate the number of each type of wires. Let the number of sphere in a lattice to be n. Therefore, the number of octahedral wires is n. The number of tetrahedral wires is equal to 2n. Calculate the number of each type of wires. When the cation are small, tetrahedron wires are occupied. If bigger, octahedral wires are occupied. When the cation are small, tetrahedral wires are occupied. If cation are bigger, octahedral wires are occupied. Because cation size is greater than its anion size. Not all wires are occupied. It's not necessary that all wires should be occupied. Fraction of occupied wires is reflected in the chemical formula. Clear? Let's take an example. Question. A compound PQ crystallized in a hexagonal closed packed array of Q anion and P cation. P cation occupy 2 out of every 3 octahedral holes. That means total octahedral holes multiplied 2/3. Derive the formula of the compound. Solutions. In a lattice of closed packed arrangement, there is one octahedral wires per atom. Number of Q ions per unit cell in HCP arrangement is equal to 6. You should learn about that. HCP, CCP have total number of atom is equal to 6. Number of octahedral hole is also 6 because octahedral hole is equal to number of atoms. So number of P ions, that is cation, is equal to 6 multiplied 2/3, that is 4. but number of anion is equal to 6. Clear? So formula of the compound should be P4Q6. We can simplify the ratio. So overall formula is P2Q3. Let's move. A quick recap. Here are the main points covered in this topic today. There are two types of wires, as you know, tetrahedral and octahedral. Tetrahedral wire is the vacant space surrounded by the four spheres involved in the tetrahedral wires. Geometry of tetrahedral wires is similar to that of a regular tetrahedron. Clear? Regular tetrahedron like structure forming during the tetrahedral wires formation. Octahedral wires is surrounded by 6 spheres, 3 one layer and other 3 is second layer. Geometry of an octahedral wires is a combination of two triangular wires whose vertices are in opposite directions and form an octahedron. The fraction of tetrahedron and octahedral wires occupied in the compound depends upon the chemical formula of the compounds. Okay, thank you. This part is going to be completed. We are now going to start next part in next day.